Alright, I got the motor mounts done. They were a pain in the ass. This front one's not bad. You just use extensions, but that one on top of the subframe in the back is fucking horrible. So I'm sitting here and putting these ball joints on, and I'm about to put the tie rods on. I just remembered I forgot to fucking hook up the rack, the steering column to the rack. I might have to drop this subframe again. Holy fuck, dude, what are the odds of that? What the fuck's my flashlight? Oh my god. You guys see that? Right there by the clutch cable? It fucking fell right into place. Dude, the odds of that happening are 1 in 10 million. So fucking crazy. Jesus, dude, that's so lucky. Took that bolt out, it slid right down. That's the best luck I've had on this car in the past 8 months I've been working on it. Alright, this is the multi-million-dollar drive shaft. Let's see what it looks like. I'm real excited about it. I'm really happy with it. It's just, they forgot the fucking washers for the brake lines, and they forgot the rubber bushings for the carrier bearing, the bushings that mount to the car. I said that like 10 times to that guy that I needed those. Like, legit. We talked about it like 5 times. He asked me like, oh, you sure you need those? Those never go bad. I was like, yes, I need them. Alright, I'm having some fucking little issues here. I've never had a drive shaft that like sticks out like that. And same thing here too. I would think that this should be all the way, but like you see, you can go, it butts right into that. There's like a rubber lip on the end of the bearing that can fit right over top of that. It's just something was either cut too short or that's the way it's supposed to be. So I don't know. I was gonna put the wheels on it and at least move it around the driveway tonight, but that's not gonna happen. I gotta look into this. I want to turn this on and throw this fucking $1 million drive shaft through the fucking floor. Alright guys, it's a couple days later. When you guys take your carrier bearings out, try to be super careful and not fuck up these bushings, and don't lose the fucking adapters or the spacers, because they're, I think it was $74 to have these bushings with the spacers and the sleeves. It's fucking ridiculous. I don't know, I looked online and I can't find the right ones for this car besides from 3SX, so like I can find bushings that'd probably fit, like poly bushings and stuff, that just 2-piece small like bushings, but they don't have the metal sleeve in them and they don't come with the spacer, which obviously mine needs, because you can see it goes up and then back down. You see the middle of the car is the high spot. Can you guys tell? There you go, you can tell right there looking at the side of the car. You see how the front comes swooping down and the back comes swooping back down. So I definitely need that spacers, but I don't know, I'm gonna tighten this up, put the power steering lines on. I got the O-rings for that, and I'm gonna try to move it around the driveway. Those lines weren't too fun. You get like a fraction of a turn, especially on the top one. a clunking noise still. I don't know if it's just that carrier bearing. I don't know what's jerking. I'm gonna put you guys under here, get back in the car, put it in gear. It sounds like the fucking rear diff is moving around. All these bushings are new, right? Maybe I didn't get the diff bushings. All the subframe bushings are new though, for sure. Like once the wheels were on, it wouldn't jerk as much, I guess. I don't know what that clunking's from. You can't even hear it on the camera. I hear while I'm inside the car. It sounds like it's, I don't know, man. It sounds like the diff's not fucking connected. Like I said, maybe it's just the axle's jerking around because the wheels aren't on. They got, you know, a 1/4 inch of play in there. I don't fucking know. It's like rough too, like almost the transmission mount isn't on, like in a rear-wheel drive car. Like it's right in the center. That's why I thought maybe it was that carrier bearing completely fucked up. But it's not. Camera, the carrier bearing looks fine. I don't know. I'm gonna do a really good walk around on this thing, put the wheels on, and at least move it around the driveway.
I like the way you do that right there. Right there. Switch your hips when you walk and let down your hair. I like the way you do that right there. Right there. Swing your hips when you talk and let down your hair. Girl, why you do that right there? Shit so bad.
I'm not gonna put the exhaust or plastic on because I'm sure I'm gonna have to go back into this thing. Stops. Dude, I am so fucking excited. I love this car. Just sitting in the motherfucker, I'm happy. Guys, I just realized I recorded all day in narrow. So hopefully you guys see everything. That's why it was so hard to see the fucking drive shaft and everything. I was like, I can't believe I can't see the whole bottom of the car. Now I just figured out why. I had it completely zoomed in all the way like an idiot. What a dumb fuck. Hard to hear noises when I got the fucking hatch packed full of shit. Let me get all this shit out of here. Well, it moves and it stops. I don't know if I want to take it out on the road. I need someone to come drive it for me while it's on the lift. I don't know, man. I recorded it, I couldn't see anything. It feels like the drive shaft goes like this. Like you put it in gear, let the clutch out, and it goes clunk, clunk. And it, I don't know. Maybe the transfer case is wore out a little bit. I don't know why it would do that. This thing is fucking fire though. Everything on the suspension, you guys know that. I mean, everything's new on this car. I don't know what could be jerking. Oh yeah, my all that work I did, remember those 2 weeks I spent reassembling the emergency brake? Doesn't work. I gotta try to adjust it, but I'm pretty sure I gotta adjust it all the way out. I'm gonna think about it. I might take it out. Bad decision. This is stupid. Windshield wipers aren't working. She's definitely over boosting. I gotta look up how to use this boost controller. It wasn't even plugged in. There for a while I thought it was just broke, but it wasn't plugged in the back. Hood was open the whole fucking time because I'm an idiot. Super fucking pumped, guys. The suspension's nice. It can go a little bit softer and definitely needs to be lowered. We already talked about that. Back probably 2 inches, 2.5 inches, 1.5 inches, 2 inches in the front. Hey man, it's really starting to rain too. We don't have no fucking wipers. Alright guys, I'm gonna take it home. Put this video up. Told you I'd get it done. I just need to figure out what the fuck's going on in the back. There's some sort of noises back there. I'm pretty sure, I don't know man. I gotta go through like my shit that I bought. Jason was supposed to do the wheel bearings in the back. Everything should have been done in the back. I remember helping him with the subframe bushings, but I'm pretty sure he did the wheel bearings because I didn't do the wheel bearings. And then I don't know if there's some sort of electric module or what, but that's weird. Every time I turn the steering wheel, there's a noise coming from the back, like the hatch area, that I don't have any power steering lines. I don't even have the whole rack. The rear rack isn't even in there anymore. It's in the shop. What that noise was. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next one. I'm not gonna do any more right now. I'm gonna come back out tonight, put it back up on the lift, just go over the bottom. I don't know, it was super weird when I was getting on it on the way back. It sounded like a couple bolts fell off the back. Something's clunking around back there. I doubt bolts fell off the back. Something's definitely clunking around in the back. Because I went over every bolt and nut fucking 10,000 times in the past week. She runs though, and she stops. See ya.
Hey, we gon' get it right here. This the remix. Oh, disturbing the peace.